Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area. Area is the measure of the amount of flat surface which is contained within the boundaries of a flat shape. The shapes we will look at in this video will have straight lines. Units of area. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in centimetres, the area is stated in square centimetres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in metres, the area is stated in square metres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in kilometres, the area is stated in square kilometres. The square unit. Area is measured in square units, and it depends on the unit that you are using. Let's look at this square here. 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. So the units we are using are centimetres. So that's what we're going to use in the answer. So this square has an area of 1 square centimetre. Of course, there's only one square, and it's 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. So that's why the area is 1 square centimetre. In short, area equals 1 square centimetre. The way this is written here, that's the short way of writing square centimetre. So you can use either way. You can either write square centimetre, or you can write cm with a little 2 there. Here we have a square which is 1 metre by 1 metre. So we're going to use metres for the answer. So the area is 1 square metre. Remember, that's the short way of writing square metre. This here is a very large area because it's a square with 1 kilometre by 1 kilometre. So the area is 1 square kilometre. It's basically a square. This is what this means. This particular diagram means that we have a square which is 1 kilometre wide, 1 kilometre long, and it's in the shape of a square, so the area is 1 square kilometre. And that's the short way of writing square kilometre. I've got a few exercises here for us to think about. Each of the following shapes have been made using small squares. Each square has sides of length 1 centimetre. For each diagram, calculate the perimeter and area. Now, we saw how to do perimeter in the last video, so that won't be difficult, and we've just seen how to do area here. So let's start with perimeter first. So, if each of these small squares, we'll just do this one slowly, if that's 1, 1, 1, and 1, and this way that's 1, 1, 1, and 1. So that's what that means, that each of the small squares is 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. Now if we go around the outside and we do our counting as we did in the last video, we've got 4 centimetres for that side, 4 for that side, 4 for this side, and 4 for that side, and that's what I've written here. So the perimeter is 16 centimetres. Now for the area, all you do is count how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 square centimetres. That's the area. Here we've got some matches, and again, each of the distances for each match 1 centimetre. So every match that you see here is 1 centimetre long. So for the perimeter, we just start, I think I've started here. That's what I've done. I've started here. So see there? I'll show you what we've done. So just to remind us, all of these are 1. So we'll just do that there. All of those are 1. Okay, here we go. This 1 represents that one. That 2 represents along there. This 1 is that one here. This 2 represents along there. That 1 is there. This 1 is there. this one is there, and the 3 is along there. So when we add all those together, we get a perimeter of 12 centimetres. You can pause the video anytime and just check that at your leisure. The area, just count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area is 5 square centimetres. And the last example, this is an interesting one. It's like some steps. The perimeter, okay, that's 1, 1, 1, and 1. Remember, each of the small squares are 1. So that I'll quickly put 1 there so we don't forget. So they're all 1. Each of those little lines there are 1. And there, and there, there, and they're all 1. See that? Okay, so let's quickly go around. So we have the 4, which is that side. The 2, which is that side. There's the 1 and the other 1. That's the 2. That's the other 2. That's the 1. And that's the 5. When you add all those up, 4 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, plus 5 is 18 centimetres. So that's your perimeter. And as far as the area goes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the area is 13 square centimetres. So this video has introduced area, and we've seen how to calculate area, and we've had a little revision on perimeter, which we did in the last video.